So yeah, with friend. So যেখানে যাই ট্রান্সলেটর মাধ্যমে তাদেরকে ইমপ্রেস করি এবং এনজয় করার ট্রাই করি। সো এখন এয়ারপোর্টের দিকে যাচ্ছি। গুড বাই টু দ্য চায়না। It was an amazing experience actually, if I say, because China, I don't know how to explain, like it's different from other country all over the world. They have their own brand. They're thinking they do all their own things, and they're businessmen. They have their own brand, and they're looking forward like a blue train. So I think China will be a number one country very soon. How they are growing themselves. So yeah, goodbye guys. Have a good time.